As soon as I step in the building, you know it's about that.
Hey, what's poppin', guys? It's your girl Nia-Imani, and I am back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below. Hit that post notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading, like duh. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. As you guys can see from the title today, I am doing my July Boxycharm Base Box unboxing. Shout out to Boxycharm for gifting me this box. I'm super excited to see all the goodies I got. So enough of this chit chat, let's just jump right into it, all right? All right, so y'all know this is what the box looks like. We're gonna open her up and voila! Here she is. All right, oh Lord, almost tilted her over. Anyway, so y'all already know it comes with, or maybe you don't know, it comes with this information card. It tells you everything that's in the box. It gives you details of it and the price points of each item. For those of you that don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that you can get. The base box costs $25. The total of the items inside the box always turn out to be way more than $25. So let's just see what I got. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one because this is what I can see first. It's called Gen Skin. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna find, oh, Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Y'all know I love a good eye patch. Like, we can't have bags. Like, come on. It's hot girl, hot boy summer. We cannot have bags underneath our eyes. Okay, hunty? Okay. It says the marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eye, it helps firm, smooth, and plump and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewier, I cannot pronounce the word to save my life. Used for dewier, fresher looking peepers. That's what it says. Peepers. This item right here costs $49.99, so clearly it costs more than a box. And this is just item number one. Yeah, I hate when stuff comes with the plastic because it's kind of hard to, Also, if you guys hear like a fan in the background, it just shut off. I'm in my bathroom and it's just the automatic bathroom fan. There's no way for me to like turn it off. It does it by itself. Okay. Oh. Okay. It opens from the bottom. Okay, so this is what the tube looks like. I love that it comes with this little like scooper, so you don't have to like dig your nails in there. I like that, but I do want to, It doesn't really have a scent. Like the scent, like it has a scent, but it doesn't at the same time. Like it doesn't smell like a flower, but it also doesn't smell like water. It's just like a soapy, I would say it's a soapy smell. It's very juicy in there, so I'm not even about to just do one of these for y'all because it would have got all over the place. But get the box, you'll get this. All right, next up we have, okay, here we go. Dermalect Cosmeticals. Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. Interesting. Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Dermalect Outcrease successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. Here we go. I told y'all the fan was gonna come on. The anhydrous formula features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives in a concentrated micro-encapsulated delivery system. This item is $39. So let's see. I know that retinol is not good to use with certain cosmetics. And I know that when I get my brows done, the lady always asks me if I use retinol, so I probably won't use this, but let's smell it. It comes in this little cute little glass little bottle with a dropper. You know what this smells like? Have y'all ever been on antibiotics? This is what this smells like. It smells like antibiotics. Yeah. Well, one, I'm not using this because it has retinol. 2, it just gives me an antibiotic smell, and if you know me, I'm sensitive to smells, so yeah. And it's crazy because usually I do like items that have a scent to it, but not a medicine scent. I like items that have more like a fruity or flowery scent, but it says application AM and PM, apply on cleansed skin, a drop to each cheek, forehead, and chin and under eye. So yes, if you're somebody that's worried about wrinkles or fine lines, this is the product for you. So far I'm starting to notice that this box is more skincare based than makeup based, which sometimes I like it and sometimes I don't. It just depends on how many skincare items I get that I can actually use, because I also have super sensitive skin. So yeah, it's kind of like sucky. It's kind of like, you know, you get the best of both worlds sometimes, and then sometimes you'll get like a skincare heavy box, and then you'll sometimes get like a beauty, like a makeup heavy box. But we're grateful either way, aren't we? I mean, this is a cool opportunity for you to actually get to try products that you probably wouldn't go out and buy on your own because of the prices, or just because you just don't know how they're gonna work for you. So this is a great way to try different items. But I know that when you sign up online, you can take the quiz. It'll ask you, you know, a whole bunch of questions so they can get to know you and to know what items to send you each month. So yeah. Pharmacy, we get a lot of pharmacy products in Boxycharm, a lot. And Pharmacy is actually kind of a good brand, so I actually like their products. This is the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil Free Foaming Cleanser. Now y'all know I love me a good cleanser. I love me a good cleanser. An oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This is so freaking good for living in LA. Like, so good. Or if you live like in a city like New York, LA, maybe Atlanta, maybe Houston, like city heavy places, I feel like this is good because you know the pollution is trash. So this may actually be good. This soap-free pH balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. This product is $28, which means this product is $3 more than this whole box. So get to it. Yeah, I'm excited for this because I actually do like cleansers, and I actually like I have a cleanser that doesn't really do the foaming thing, but I actually really do like the foaming cleansers because I don't know, for some reason I feel like if I don't really see it foaming up, to me it just feels like it's not working. Maybe it's a mental thing. Little thing, it has a little safety thing on the inside. Let's peel it and smell it. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Okay. There we go. It has this, like this minty, this minty smell, but not like mint. I don't know how to explain it. Y'all know that that green alcohol? It kind of smells like that, like a light version of that green alcohol. But from what I'm looking at it, you could definitely tell it's whipped because it gives a more exfoliator vibe, but now that clearly it says it's whipped. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. If y'all want to know how well this product works, comment down below. Y'all already know how this thing goes. Okay, this kind of, okay, wow, we have one beauty product, one makeup product. Here we go. This is the $1 Billion Brows on Point Micro Pencil. When precision matters, this Brows on Point Micro Brow Pencil will help you get the look you want. The precise brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with color you want and can create hair-like strokes for a natural looking eyebrow. This product costs $16, so this was like the cheapest one. I feel like we've gotten this before. Well, this is not even my color taupe. Not my color at all. So I won't be using this, but maybe they shouldn't call it taupe because it's giving like, it's definitely giving brown. Let's see. Well, this is the tip. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but we're gonna, oh yeah, she's very precise. I feel like with this brow pencil, like, do you see the color? Let me get closer. Anyway, this is the color right here. I think with this pencil, you don't have to do like, you don't have to be heavy-handed with it at all. I feel like just lightly doing it, because I lightly spread it on my hand, and it definitely gave a more pigment look. So I feel like the more lighter your hand is, the better it look. Now, some people like that super dark look, that harsh look. That's not really for me, but to each its own. I would just recommend doing it light-handedly because it is very pigmented. And last but certainly not least, look, first of all, there are little bunnies on here. That's freaking cute. What is this? The M2U NYC Makeup Blending Sponge Set. A collection of 4 super soft latex-free 3D makeup blending sponges in a variety of shapes that help you achieve the exact look you've been dreaming of. No need to worry about splotches, foundation lines, or creasing. This item is priced at $20. You can never go wrong with makeup sponges or having a lot of makeup sponges. I need makeup sponges, like a lot. I just went to the store and got some. But let's see how soft they really are. Yeah, you could just tell how soft they are because they're easy to squeeze. I feel like sometimes you get beauty blenders that even, I mean, with them dry, it's so hard to squeeze, like it's like pressure, you know? But these are like easy, so I can only imagine how they're gonna feel when they're wet. This one is a little bit more stiff, but still good. Oh yeah. And they're super soft at the touch of your hand. So yes, I'm super excited to use these because like I said, I need beauty blenders. Also, it's good to have a ton of beauty blenders because when 1 or 2, or in my case 4, are dirty, you know, and you're just lazy and don't feel like cleaning them, this comes in handy, you know? So anyway, that was the last item in my Boxycharm July box. Once again, I want to say shout out to Boxycharm and thank you so much for collaborating with me month after month and giving me this box. I truly appreciate it. But yes, comment down below. Let me know if you guys are going to subscribe to Boxycharm or if you already do. Tell me what's your favorite products from your July box. And yeah, comment down below. Let me know what videos you want to see more and all of that good stuff. I love you guys so much. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed night, day, rest of your week, rest of your month. I love you guys. Bye.